Hello everybody, I'm Benjamin Shielden, the French soundtrack composer and music producer, and I'm very glad to be here at Obama Studio Lyon, my favorite place to work in and kind of second home for me. And I'm here to share my experience with the most incredible headphone I ever owned, I mean the Meze Elite, of course. First of all, a little explanation about our process with MIA. As we are traveling a lot, we cannot bring with us some loudspeaker or find the same loudspeaker as in our own studio. So this is what we have to deal with headphone as a solution for composition, mixing and mastering. Composition is a special moment where you have to be connected to something higher than yourself, and this is a special moment where you need engagement. And this particular piece of equipment, this gear, is absolutely outstanding about engagement and the soul you can bring in every sound and mixing, composing, choosing your chords, etc. For mixing and mastering, it's a different issue. This is the moment where we need precision, definition, and this particular headphone is absolutely brilliant to bring details. The tonal balance is neutral enough to guide us for all the requirements that need those special tasks. Another important thing is comfort. As we are working 10 to 12 hours a day with an headphone, we need it to be very comfortable, light, and this is absolutely awesome with the Elite, because you put it on your ears and then you just forget it. It's just like if you have a second pair of ears, and this is absolutely the best way to work for long sessions. And after all, at the end of the day, what are we doing? Of course, listening to music. So this is a moment where we need dynamic, where we need enjoyment, joy, and this headphone is absolutely the best way to just enjoy, just let the music go to your ears, to your heart, and just shake your chest. And this is I think the Swiss Army knife that can do almost everything. So thank you, Antonio, thanks to your team too, and be sure we will make this piece of art travel everywhere in the best studio in the world, like here in Obama Studio Lyon.
Hello everybody, I'm MIA EDENBERG, music composer, singer and partner of Benjamin Shielden for soundtrack creation. I totally agree with Benjamin about the Elite. It's a gift for composers like us. We use it everywhere, anytime. Thank you, Meze. I'm really happy to join the adventure with you.